Hi everybody, and welcome back to another tutorial, crocheting tutorial. In today's tutorial we are going to see the cable stitch for beginners because we use only simple stitches such as single crochet and double crochet. So in order to make this cable stitch you will need 4 stitches here. So we work on a multiple of 4 and we add 3 chains. So we make a foundation chain of a multiple of 4 plus 3, and we're going to see during the video, during the tutorial, how we work. It's very simple. I'll try to make it simplest as always. So we start by making, as I've said, a foundation chain that is a multiple of 4 plus 3. So I will make 16 chains plus 3, 19 chains. And 19. Now we're going to make a row made by single crochet stitches. So I insert the hook in the second chain and I make a single crochet, and then in each chain I make a single crochet throughout the row. And this is the first row made by single crochets. Now we're going to start the main chain, the main stitch. So we add 3 chains and we turn the work, and now we skip the first stitch here and we make 3 double crochets in the next 3 stitches, 2 double crochets and 3 now. Then we yarn over and we're ready to make a double crochet stitch, but we go back here in the stitch, into the stitch we've skipped, and we insert like this the hook, we wrap the yarn this behind and we bring it forth to keep it loosely here, and yarn over and we finish the stitch. Here it is. Then again we skip 1 stitch into the next one, into the 3 next stitches we make 3 double crochets. Now we're going to make a double crochet stitch, but we're going to insert the hook here this way into the stitch skipped before, loosely wrap up the yarn and yarn over and make finish the double crochet, and here it is again, and again skip 1 stitch into the 3 next stitches, make double crochet stitches, again yarn over, ready to make a double crochet stitch, but we insert the stitch, the hook here into the stitch skipped, and we draw up a loop loosely here, yarn over, and finish the double crochet stitch. Here it is. Again, skip one stitch into the 3 next stitches, make 1 double crochet in each stitch, and again yarn over, insert the hook here into the stitch skipped, and wrap up loosely a loop, yarn over again, and finish the double crochet stitch. And we finish the row by making a double crochet here at the end, and we have the second row, because in order to make this stitch we need 2 rows. So single crochet, 1 chain, and we are going to make a single crochet in each stitch of this row, and again 3 chains, and switch our work, and again we skip the first stitch in the 3 next stitches, we make 1 double crochet in each of them, and now yarn over and insert the hook here into the stitch we skipped the beginning here, and wrap up loosely the yarn over, and finish the double crochet stitch, and again skip 1 into the next 3 stitches. We're going to make 1 double crochet in each of them, and again yarn over and insert the hook here into the skipped one, like this, and wrap the yarn loosely a loop. So yarn over and finish the double crochet stitch, and here it is. And again skip 1 stitch, and into the 3 next stitches make 1 double crochet in each stitch, and yarn over, insert the hook here into the skipped one, and wrap loosely the yarn over and finish the double crochet stitch, and again skip 1 into the 3 next stitches, make a double crochet, and again yarn over, insert the hook here into the skipped stitch, draw a loop loosely here, yarn over and finish the double crochet stitch. Finish the work by making a double crochet stitch at the end, and again row 2, chain 1 and 1 chain 1 single crochet, sorry, in each stitch throughout the row. And here it is. This is the cable stitch. Thank you for being with me. Till next time. Bye.